Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Serious?
Can I go?
Yeah. अबे
ये कौन सी first
HTTPS.
world problem?
मम्मी ने डाल दिया. Save off that. Don't take my laughter like that.
क्या please make up?
कभी खुशी कभी गम. Sorry.
ये तेरी बंद है. कैसे मैं आऊँ?
Hi.
Hi.
This was a year in review by Team Miss Malini. I'm Priyam. This is Swagata. This is Shrimi.
Why? Why are you so happy? Swags, why are you so sad?
Because 2016 is almost over, guys.
Isn't that a good thing? This year sucked.
Exactly. We have had so many breakups this year. That's why I'm sad.
को शीशा हो या दिल हो
आखिर टूट जाता है.
But okay, but 2016, like, don't curse. Do you think? I don't think 2016 के अलावा कोई भी ऐसा साल था जिसमें, like, I think close to like 30 breakups have happened. Jetty celebrity like breakups that.
And we blocked
Exactly.
each and every one
We
of
have
them.
blocked each and every one of them.
This another couple breaks up.
Yeah.
Another one bites the dust.
That's the thing. If you muster like courage to pass through 2016, that means you're meant to be.
Wow.
Forever and ever.
Which is the celebrity couple जो तुम्हें ऐसे लगा कि यार इनका हो गया अब तो कोई point ही नहीं है life का.
It broke my heart when Ranbir and Katrina parted ways. You know, they looked so cute together, and it's very weird that finally when they came out and posed in front of the media, just a month later they broke up.
That is sad. What about you, Priyam?
I think when Farhan and Aduna broke up, I was just like.
Not that really.
क्योंकि
sucked.
यार वो कितने cool,
बहुत cool
sorted, they're funny, they're both smart, witty, and just like cool people.
But okay, honestly, in my breakups, I was very sad when Sushant and Ankita broke up.
What an odd choice!
No one cared. No, like they started together, they started their career together, and you know, she supported him. She was very open about how much she, you know, didn't pursue her own career so that she can support Sushant when he left the TV show. And look at them, so cute. I thought it'd be proper Shah Rukh Gauri story.
What a strange.
Y'all are
Yeah,
all strange,
Sushant had
but-
proposed to her during
Yeah,
Jhalak
man, like it was
Dikhla
very
Ja.
out there and all.
On television
she
he
was there with
proposed.
me through
कभी
thick
तो
and thin.
ये नहीं
and
करना
all of
चाहिए
that.
था. Can I say that which breakup was? I mean, actually, I don't even know when they broke up, if they dated, what happened, जो भी था बकवास. Hrithik and Kangna, bro.
Dhadak.
Dude, yeah. That was one mess. That was a hot mess, man.
Dhadak.
क्या हो गया, dude?
And there was something between them, whether they acknowledge it or not, that's their choice. But definitely, आग के बिना धुआं तो निकलेगा नहीं. तो कुछ तो था वहाँ पे.
Early in the year, na?
There was so much of mudslinging and emails. that
Mudslinging?
Mudslinging, big words.
What a
big
word.
words. आज
What a
हम
word.
science पढ़ के आई हैं हमारी
Mudslinging कर रहे थे.
यार please, okay. And emails were exchanged. Emails के बाद
हाँ.
legal notices were
I
exchanged.
know, dude. That was so crazy. Kangna is no less, though. She's no. What
Can
do
you say that?
She's had an no, she's had an interesting year. Remember, like their fight happened last year, but like
Yeah.
the
It
mudslinging,
continued.
as Swagata Ram said,
Mudslinging?
began earlier this year. Deepika was asked that, what do you think about Kangna not liking you? And she said it's one-sided and it doesn't affect me, which is a good answer if you ask.
Yeah.
And Kangna was like, yeah, if it doesn't affect her, why does she keep calling me for every party of hers? And I'm like, is that a bad thing? Like, because I would like to be called for Deepika's parties, right?
That's true, but wouldn't
But they really don't like each
But
other.
then she forgot to call Amitabh Bachchan at the peak of success party. Sorry.
We are going on vintage gossip
Sorry,
now.
sorry.
Yeah.
हाँ फिर.
So basically, वही चालू हो रहा है. They just don't like each other, basically. With
But
Deepika.
apart from breakups, a lot of cat fights were also in the headlines this
Cat
year.
fight!
And Deepika वापस से अभी recently news में आया था कि Deepika and Priyanka are getting very catty and competitive because they are so doing so well globally. So that's why people have been saying that बहुत ज़्यादा Priyanka and Deepika के बीच insecurities हो रही हैं. And when Deepika got featured in Vanity Fair, apparently Priyanka went out and hired another PR firm over there. But that's not true. I googled it that she's been with that PR firm since last year.
Also, Priyanka also came in a Vanity Fair list, so I don't know where this is coming from.
But
She
that's
was
what
in
I'm
the
saying.
TV thing, like they're both
कुछ
doing
तो
really well, so I
लोग
don't think.
कहेंगे.
And there's Pinga Kapuri, man, sing the relevant song.
Pinga Gapori.
I think if they might not be best friends, but I think they are. I don't think there's like this I hate her and I hate her thing going
Yeah.
on. And
Both of them, such a great year, dude. Baywatch. The Rock के साथ मतलब तुम्हारी अगर कर लो तुम काम औकात बढ़ जाती है.
definitely.
बहुत
And
ज़्यादा.
he's like tweeting about how beautiful she is, what a badass she is. I'm like, wow. Yeah.
She's
And
such-
Deepika also. Sorry.
No, please. Okay, but okay, not to take away. And again, I'm not even saying this bitchily or whatever. Sonam Kapoor, dude. Like, of course, there was this whole thing about कि Coldplay में 2 सेकंड के लिए आई थी. Kapoor, she was in a Coldplay video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Legit enough.
Game
That is
over.
Very legit.
Game
like,
over.
Really.
It's such a big deal that somebody from Bollywood has been featured in a Coldplay video, but people could not say good things about that.
Always.
Also. इतने छोटे से scene के लिए सोनम कपूर उसमें चली गई and all, but she took it very well and she said, "Dude, I'm in a
Coldplay video.
effing Coldplay
Effing. Oh, you can say the word.
Like I was in the audience and I died when Chris
yeah.
Martin was performing, and that day Sonakshi, Shraddha, Alia, so many people were there, and it was so cool.
I know,
And
dude.
of course, I know what it means for Sonam
Of
to be
course.
there in that video. So I don't see the point of all these.
तूने कितने पैसे दिए थे Global Citizen के?
Please don't talk about that. It hurts my feelings.
तेरे को लगता है सोनम ते पैसे दिए होंगे? फ्री में गई थी. मैं तो यार I would become extra in their video for free tickets.
Many
Exactly,
Indians were, I don't
yaar.
know why you.
Isn't that your dream to be an extra in
Be an
something?
extra in something. Karan
Yeah.
Johar. Apart from the Coldplay thing, Sonam's had a good year in terms of Dude Neerja. What an important film. What
Very,
a good
very good
film.
film, very good
One of the better films of the year. I don't think we've had too many
Definitely.
good films this year.
And talking about breakups, I think Sonam's had a good year because she's dating someone.
Talking about breakups, Sonam's had a good year. आपको तो
मतलब
writer होना
कि
चाहिए.
एक तो breakup नहीं हुआ ना. She's trying to
Ah,
lift my
she's having a
spirits.
good
Lift your spirit.
Yeah,
That's
prayers
what
which you
she
never do because you always put them down.
Yeah.
Damn.
And Ahuja and Sonam Kapoor are dating.
They're totes dating.
I
Are
mean,
you getting married next month?
Reportedly, they are dating. We can't really
No,
quote it.
reportedly they're marrying next year.
Yeah.
Dating to for sure.
हाँ Instagram
She
पे
uses
इतना
love
PDM
stamp
चल रहा है
smileys on
उनका.
his Instagram.
No, but they have been talking about dates, going on dates, going on vegetarian healthy food
Yeah,
dates.
yeah, on their
and
Instagram.
Sonam's friend has been teasing them. So
Vegetarian food dates, is that a
Sonam is
thing?
vegetarian. She was voted sexiest vegetarian recently.
but do you think Sonam will get married so soon though? Riya Kapoor के wedding rumors में कितने बार आए हैं? हर बार वो लोग rubbish कर देते हैं rumors को.
Rubbish कर देते हैं rumors.
So sad.
Rumor होता है वो rubbish कर देते हैं उसको.
फेंक देते हैं rumors को. नहीं.
And also Alia doing such great work. Urta Punjab, Dear Zindagi.
I don't think that
Kapoor
girl
and
has
Sons.
given a bad performance, like ever.
Yeah.
Seriously, she's not given a bad performance.
Except for
It's
Student of the Year.
still, you
No,
know.
yaar, she was good. Gulabi.
Oh.
Okay. So Alia has been giving good performances. Sonam has grown tremendously as an
Absolutely.
Definitely.
actor.
Definitely.
But उसी सब में, so
young.
I've heard that apparently this award season, like Deepika and Kangna ka from back in the day,
हाँ.
this award season, some sort of Sonam versus
Alia.
Alia
It's being
clash.
pitched.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
it's
you're
being
like, oh,
like-
like so Alia's got an award, so Sonam's insecure और ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है. What's happening with that?
No, I don't think. I think Sonam and Alia are a little more mature than
Yeah.
the other people. So Sonam recently won an award in UAE the other day, and she was very, very good. Her award-winning, her speech was very nice, where she said that it's time we stop putting women against each other and we stop bringing women down, and this catfight shit needs to stop. And I think that was really cool. Like, imagine getting an award and dedicating it to this instead of like thanking mummy, daddy, doggy, all of that. It's really cool. I think that's nice.
Very
Exactly.
So I don't think there will be a cat fight between Sonam and Alia. They're both smart, successful women.
Amazing.
Exactly.
No cat fight in 2017.
Yeah, like
Exactly.
we've
And
grown up.
And this year we've seen so many good movies and actresses have been giving such great performances, including Anushka Sharma, guys.
Yeah, but honestly, I'm happiest that she got back with Virat Kohli more than her movies. And I know I'm not saying that this thing, but I'm just so happy seeing Anushka and Virat together because they're so cute.
But I
So
love that,
cute.
you know, starting of the year में थोड़ा ऐसे rumor था कि उनका भी breakup हो गया
हाँ,
और मैंने
हाँ,
कहा चलो आंसू निकल चुके हैं सारे के सारे. But then I think if they had a rough patch or whatever, but after a while Virat Kohli has stepped out wearing a t-shirt which says we were on a break.
Can you believe Virat Kohli like throwing Ross Geller references like a Friends fan? I knew he's perfect.
है ना,
That guy.
he is perfect.
That guy.
But
Very, very
Virat and Anushka chalo have gotten back. Amazingness.
And the way he stood up for Anushka and tweeted the
Exactly.
golden tweet.
The
of
golden
year.
tweet of 2016.
Yes, yes. The one news that made me happy this year was that Ranveer and Deepika haven't broken up. Because like they walked out of that Ambani party hand in hand and like looking so good. And it's so good because there were rumors that they broken up and then I was like, no, ये नहीं हो सकता. 2016 cannot end this relationship because I don't think I'd have faith in love anymore if Ranveer and Deepika would break up.
I don't think anybody would. Like, what a pressure to live under, dude. Like, they can't break up.
And now even actors are saying तुम्हारे बच्चे so cute, your son so cute.
Ranveer Kapoor
Ranveer
said
Kapoor,
that.
Salman also in some Big Boss this thing he morphed Deepika and Ranveer this thing.
Oh.
Like this is what your son will look like. So अब तो breakup कर ही नहीं सकते. सलमान ने बोल दिया.
To 2016 was also the year that Salman Khan got acquitted.
What?
Moving on.
Yeah. Salman was also going to get married this year, remember, with Yulia Vantur.
But उसका marriage rumors every year,
Every year,
dude.
every
हर
year.
साल सलमान की शादी होती है
Exactly.
और नहीं होती है. He's eternal bachelor. I don't think he can get married.
शादी के rumors तो सोनाक्षी और बंटी के भी थे. मतलब she denied it, but they have been seen together coming out of theaters while she is blushing and evading the cameras. But Bunty is there in the frame.
But like that day when we were discussing कि बोलो तुम्हारा नाम बंटी है तो उसके साथ में भैया.
बंटी भैया.
बंटी भैया.
इतने सारे rumors के बीच में कुछ real शादियां भी हुई.
बता यार स्वागता real शादी.
Yeah, 2016 was not that bad. After all, I'm realizing it now. Bipasha Basu got married to Karan Singh Grover, and they both look so cute together.
Very nice.
And the best thing is her Instagram name is Bipasha Basu Singh Grover.
Is that the best thing though?
Of course, it's the best thing. It's so many
नाम
words.
लिखते लिखते प्लेन चली जाएगी यार. Sorry, but and also Urmila Matondkar got married.
Surprise!
And that was actually a surprise where no one knew क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, who she is marrying. But look how everything works out.
But who has won this wedding game? Come on.
Who found a good enough husband?
I can't believe.
What an unexpected joke. Good enough.
Good enough.
Preeti Zinta is now Preeti Zinta good
Good
enough,
enough.
which is very
Which
good.
beats
enough.
Singh Grover by the way.
Yeah, Bipasha, Karan Singh, Grover, whatever, Sharma Basu, it's K. Preeti Zinta good enough.
And she's a sport because she also makes a lot of good enough jokes on
Yeah.
social media. So that's nice. That's good to know. Then
Can
you
I-
can make fun of your new surname.
Can I tell you fun fact / trivia though?
Arre baap re. I'm scared now.
Urmila Matondkar's husband and Preeti Zinta were in an ad together when we were little.
Whoa.
They were-
When they were young and we were
When
little.
साबुन का था कोई.
मुझे साबुन का नहीं था, वो ऐसे क्या कहते हैं उसको, फिश बोल लेके जा रही थी, फिर वो ऐसे वो टकरा जाता है.
The trivia, the fun trivia is that they were in an act together. That's
Guys, last year की सबसे बड़ी शादी was मीरा और शाहिद.
definitely.
Unexpected, surprising शादी, but so sweet. मीरा और शाहिद का बच्चा हो गया इस साल.
हाँ, मीशा उनका वेडिंग हैशटैग भी था और अब बेबी का नाम भी है.
Is that really why they named their baby Misha?
हाँ, मीरा राजपूत का मी और शाहिद कपूर का शामी.
Genius.
Only genius could think
Genius.
of this. Only.
Thankfully वो शीरा तो नहीं रखा एटलीस्ट बच्चे का नाम यार.
तो वो ज़्यादा interesting होता है, थोड़ी edgy.
तो एजी है, आई एम शीरा कपूर. और पता है रिसेंटली एक अवार्ड फंक्शन में शाहिद एंड करीना द एक्स फ्लेम्स हैड मेट एंड दे वर डिस्कसिंग मीशा एंड Bebo's baby also.
Oh.
Bebo is having a baby and she is
Wow.
looking so pretty every day.
Like Kareena should always be pregnant. Like
I know.
she's
Absolutely.
rocked it to such an
Absolutely.
extent. It's amazing. But coming back to Shahid and Kareena being exes, they worked together in Urta Punjab.
So
yeah.
nice.
That was,
Wow.
And Urta Punjab, thank God it released in India. Otherwise, censor board ने तो पूरी कोशिश की थी कि हर चीज कट जाए फिल्म से. How many cuts they wanted? Yes, more than 100 cuts they wanted. But then they took their case to the High Court, and thankfully, अपना judiciary much better. They
Yeah.
were like, please release कर दो. And we finally got to see such a good movie,
Yeah,
such
yeah,
amazing
yeah.
performances.
But coming back to Urta Punjab,
हाँ.
पूरी इंडस्ट्री ने आगे बढ़ के सपोर्ट किया
True.
and that's why the
True.
judiciary system also took it very
Yes,
seriously.
yes.
और अब पहलाज अंकल थोड़े से बड़े हो गए हैं क्योंकि बेफिक्रे में हमें दिखाया रणवीर सिंह का बम.
That's such a nice bum.
Woohoo!
Such a nice bum,
bum
yeah.
though.
Like Deepika.
मैं तो बानी को देख रही थी यार, तो मैंने रणवीर को इतना चेकआउट नहीं किया.
But another very important movie of the year, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, which I actually enjoyed a lot. मैं तो हूँ भी. You didn't.
I didn't like
know.
it.
You didn't.
I liked
You're
the
middle.
first half, but जब दोनों
The big C. When they went all कट्टी बट्टी on the whole film, मैं भी थोड़ा हो गई कि
nice way
यार.
to put it.
मुझे उल्टी आ रही थी देख के. Literally, I'm not kidding, and I'm sensitive towards all of these movies. I love
Sure.
like yeah. Anyway, main point is that Ae Dil Hai Mushkil इतना बेचारा Karan Johar had to like give that video. Yeah, where he's looking like some convict. I don't know what, just because of beautiful man like Fawad Khan.
How
What is
can
it?
you? How just I don't understand. Like I think Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, like our reviews of it apart, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, the saddest takeaway was that Fawad Khan was sent back to Pakistan.
Exactly.
So
यार.
was
One thing we all agreed on is that guy is beautiful. He is beautiful. How
माशाअल्लाह.
MashaAllah.
वो क्यूरीफाई सॉन्ग में तो
Oh!
क्या
अरे
यार.
बाप रे यार.
Oh!
रब्बा में तो मर गया रे.
मर गया रे.
But talk
Not
about
just
hot
Fawad.
boys यार, जिसके लिए दिल पे गड़ने लगा है वो कौन है? अली जफर.
Ali Zafar को कैसे भेज दिया? Like Fawad Khan तो फिर भी like he comes with the baggage of being poster boy, Pakistan actor and this that.
हाँ.
Ali Zafar तो casually यार, just casually.
अली जफर is Bollywood
He
यार.
has been more in India I think that he's been in Pakistan.
Absolutely.
Really.
Yeah.
Ali Zafar should
Ali
not
Zafar was ours.
have to deal with this kind of
ले
hatred.
गए यार हमारे लड़कों को. अच्छा guys, 2017 से आपकी क्या expectations है?
और शादियां और बच्चे हो कम breakups हो. I really like.
Yeah.
You know, like
Yeah.
it's just fine love, stay happy,
Exactly.
breakups इतना ना हो. और friendships, no catfight, more good movies. 2016 I don't think was a good year for
हाँ.
movies.
Here's to a better year, guys.
Woo!
2017.
And we'll be here drinking.
No.
If you liked this video, please leave a comment if you agreed with our beer review. If you have different thoughts, anything you want to say, if you want to say like mean things, that's cool too. Just leave a comment. And
If you think we are cute, please like this video. And if you think we didn't talk about something, please comment below so that we remember.
And if you think we're not cute, then like just subscribe. You know, it's cool. It's fine. It's fine.
and if you think at all, share this video with everybody.
Gotcha!
Finally, this is us wishing you guys a very, very happy new year. Please spread lots of love and cheer and joy with your friends and family. A very happy new year from Sheru.
Yeah, क्योंकि हम साथ
I feel like this is the best we can do. Bye.
Yeah, that's it. Right.